Here's a tutorial for New Year's Eve cheeks. After the primer, we use a burgundy color for the thumb and little finger. The edges of the nail color gel must be neatly rounded to make it look high quality. If you can't get it right with a brush, you can use a stylus to trace the back edge of the nail like I did. Apply a layer of nude color to the remaining 3 fingers. Apply a layer of pre-staining gel on the index finger and use a stylus to dab the burgundy color on the middle part of the nail and wait for it to pre-stain naturally, or you can also use a sweeping brush to go over the edges. The middle finger is dipped in some gold leaf with this silicone tip, and the gold leaf stickers are really handy. The ring finger is coated with a layer of diamond gel. The middle finger has an irregular shape outlined in white. Fill in the colors.